raise money for charity. Selling these rings. It's me and Smalls' job to paint them, and it's Ryan's job to put the battery in so they can light up.
Oh, that's awesome, assistant. So you're going to raise money for charity. Now, how much money do you sell these rings for?
I sell them for $5.
Okay, and Ryan, how much do they cost for you guys to make?
$2 per ring.
And so that's how much money profit per ring?
$3.
And you're going to sell how many?
100.
So that's $300 profit.
Yep.
So you're going to raise money for families so they can have Christmas dinner, right?
Right.
All right, speaking of dinner, it's time for us to go eat.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
Time to eat, right?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
I wonder what's for dinner.
I don't know.
Christmas rings? Well, that'll be Christmas cheer. I can't have any of that. No, sorry. I gotta get those rings and I gotta get them now. All right, I've got the rings, I've got the paintbrushes, and I got the batteries. They'll never be able to make any more. No more Christmas cheer. Time for me to go take them away. I hear those kids coming. I better hide all the supplies so they can't make any more rings for charity. Oh!
I'm ready to get back to work though. Wait, where'd all the rings go? And look, there's paintbrushes on the floor. Wait. Oh man, all those rings could have fed 30 families.
I know. Look at this. Maybe. You know who is this?
The Grinch?
Yes.
Oh yeah! I heard he was already up to no good this season.
He probably wouldn't want you guys to make rings for families, right?
Yeah. Hey, what's this up here?
Oh, it's the assistant's baby Grinch. We'll leave it. Look, we gotta go find that stuff, right?
I'll take
Okay.
this.
All right, so we've gotta find those rings and all the supplies, right?
Right.
Because you guys were gonna make. You were gonna sell those rings for $5. They cost how much to make?
Two.
$2. So that's a profit of how much money?
$3.
$3. And if you sold 100, that would have been a total profit of how much?
$300.
$300.
And that could have fed all those families, right?
Yeah,
Right.
30 families.
All right, so let's go in and see if we can find any of that stuff.
Let's look in here.
Yeah.
All right, so we're in Christmas Town.
What is this?
It looks like. Wait a minute. It looks like a trunk. It says, "Keep."
Closed till December 25th. Christmas special delivery from Santa.
That sounds like something that the Grinch would do to try to trick you, right?
Should we open it?
Yeah.
Yeah, bring it out here. Let's open it because it was in Christmas house.
All right. I wonder what it is inside.
Watch out.
Maybe it's for Santa, so we.
No, I don't know. I think the Grinch did it to try to trick you.
Our paintbrushes!
Yeah.
Wait.
Here, I got one back from the.
I think we got this.
yeah.
So you found all the paintbrushes, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
So now you guys can paint the rings, but
But how are we
don't
gonna
have
paint them
any
if we don't have them?
you don't have the batteries or anything, right?
No.
All right. Why don't we just leave them in there?
Actually, let's just leave it.
And then,
Why don't we just leave it here and pick it up
And
later?
we'll get it later.
yeah, we'll come back for it. All right, let's keep looking, okay?
Yeah.
So we found the paintbrushes.
Let's
So
keep looking.
right here is a candy castle, right?
Yeah.
Did the Grinch leave anything here?
Nope. Nothing here.
I don't mean right there.
Nothing there. All right, so let's see. What about over here by that present?
Let's go check.
Okay. Nothing behind here.
Nothing here.
Nope. Nothing.
Are you sure? Maybe you want to lift that up and see if there's anything underneath it. I don't see anything.
Yeah.
Hang on. What is? Hang on. Oh, nothing under there. It's too tight.
All right. Let's keep going. So, I see Wiggles out here.
Yeah.
Wiggles might have smelled something.
Yeah, maybe.
Let's look over by Santa.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, right, even behind Santa. So here's
Yeah.
Santa sitting down, right? This is
Wait.
Because the Grinch doesn't really like Santa.
What is that?
Wait a minute, it's a present?
Yeah.
Another present?
Yeah.
Where you?
Hang on.
Wait a minute. Let's open it. Open it. Should we open it?
Yeah, let's open it up.
Wait, what? You've been fooled. The Grinch?
You know, the Grinch must know that you guys are looking for those rings.
Yeah.
Is that what it says, assistant?
You've been fooled. Love the Grinch.
Oh,
Man.
We always get fooled by him.
Yep.
Well,
Let's just keep looking though.
you think that maybe behind it? That'd be a thing that the Grinch would do, right?
Always. I think all I see is
Yeah, I'm gonna
I can't hear you, Smalls.
I think all I see is this candy cane.
Oh, you found a candy cane?
Nothing back there.
Let's look again. Keep looking. No, nothing there.
Where'd Smalls go?
Yeah, where is Smalls?
Oh, there.
Oh, you were hiding back there. I thought the Grinch might have gotten him.
Yeah, I did too for a second. Alright, let's keep looking over here.
What's that, sister? I can't hear you.
Let's keep looking over here.
Okay.
Oh, look, another candy cane.
Another candy cane. Some people like to call them cane canes.
Alright. Let's look
All right, let's go in here.
Yep.
Do you see anything up the slide, Smalls?
He is green, but
There's nothing in here that I can see.
Here, Smalls, go up that slide. Let's look.
yeah. Hang on. All right.
Do you see anything up there?
Hang on. No, it's this.
Here, I can go. I'll
You
go.
think that seems like a good spot for the Grinch to put stuff, right?
Yeah. Doesn't look like anything.
You sure?
Yeah. What?
What is that? It's a ball.
I'm up here.
Wait, how'd you get up there so quick?
Did you put that ball down there?
Hey, wait, hey, Smalls, why don't you go down the slide to see if there's anything?
All right.
Yeah. It's a great idea.
Yeah, go! Go! Go ahead. Go!
Here he is. Good job, Smalls.
It's a little dirty.
Oh, that's okay. All right, let's look over here.
Alright, let's keep looking.
So here's some Christmas trees.
Hey, you guys want to show them what we've been practicing?
Yeah. It's called hot rock at the same time.
Ah!
Yeah, yes, I'm having fun with the ball.
Yeah.
But you know what? We have
Oh
to have
yeah,
a
we
game.
need to find them.
We got to find all the stuff in the rings, right?
Yeah.
wait.
Maybe Santa knows where it's at over here. Let's see.
Wait a second. I feel familiar. These are Grinch like stealing presents.
Yeah, why does he take stuff?
I don't
He doesn't
know.
like Christmas cheer, does he?
Yeah, I don't think he likes it at all.
But
Let's see. Let's look around here. Hey, look, guys.
It's
There's
Santa's
something in
workshop. Wait a minute, I can't see it. Look, it's Santa's workshop.
Yeah, and there's a box in it. It says, "Have yourself a Merry Christmas. Love, Santa Paws."
Oh.
It's the batteries. Yeah.
You found the battery, so
Here,
now
I'll
we can
keep
go back.
I'll keep this in my pocket. So I'll leave the box here. Yeah.
Good idea.
look on it, Santa's workshop, right? That's Santa's workshop.
So we found that. So look, you guys are on these rocks.
Yeah.
These are big rocks.
Yeah, they're big rocks.
Let's go.
All right.
All right, let's go.
Assistant, do you have any kind of plan?
Yeah.
What would it be?
Well, remember that thing that Brian pointed out in the playhouse?
The Grinch?
The baby Grinch.
That's what you were going to get the Grinch for Christmas, wasn't it?
Yeah. Maybe we should make an early Christmas present.
Yeah.
Yeah, and maybe he'll give us our rings back for it.
That's a great idea. Let's see if we can find the Grinch and give it back to him.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
All right. Okay, so we got the Grinch from your playhouse, right?
You know what Grinch's favorite color is?
Green.
What's his favorite color?
I think it's green.
Green.
Really? I thought it was like more of a mauve.
I thought it was maroon.
Yeah, you never know. he wears all green, but maybe, you know, he's a sad person. Maybe he wears a color he doesn't like.
Maybe we should ask him that.
Yeah. All right, so we're over here by Santa's reindeer.
With Rudolph.
So there's Rudolph, Blitzen, Donner,
The other ones.
Santa. Wait a minute.
It's the abominable snowman.
Wait, on the other side. I think I saw something.
Wait, it's the Grinch. He has something too. Wait,
what do you have?
Grinch. We have a trade for you. Are those our rings? Can I please see that?
How do I know you're not?
What is that?
It's Christmas cheer.
Are those our rings?
Maybe.
Grinch, the assistant had a Christmas present for you.
We were gonna trade it with you.
But she got it for you just out of the goodness of her heart.
Okay.
For
Here
me?
you go. Yeah.
I love him.
We got our rings back.
You got your rings back.
Can I see them? Hey Grinch, we have one question for you.
Yes.
What's your favorite color?
Well, green, of course.
See, I knew it.
You got
It's
your
not.
right.
I thought it was maroon.
Oh, green.
I thought it was mauve.
What's a close second?
Close second would be red, because that's the color of my heart.
Oh, now it is. It used to be blue for
I
a
was
while.
close with maroon.
All right, so hey, sister, what should the people at home do now?
They should like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to follow us on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and Hudson TV.
That's right. And so,
And make sure to subscribe to Little Hero
That's
and
right.
Little Heroes Gaming.
that's right. So this is a fun video because sometimes at Christmas it's fun to do things for other people, right?
Yeah.
Like
Right.
raise money for the less fortunate.
And giving presents to friends and family.
That's right.
Even the Grinch.
Even the Grinch. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Thanks for my gift, guys.
You're welcome.